Hi, I'm Joe Paiva, and I'm with the team from Great Basin College, which is technically in Elko, Nevada. This program is an interesting program because it's all online education. So we have a geographically diverse team that is actually physically separated. My understanding is at this student competition here in Washington, D.C., in 2016, this was the first time they actually got to lay eyes on each other in person, even though they knew what each other looked like. So I'm going to have the team introduce themselves, the ones who are here anyway.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Jones, and I'm from Kitty Hawk, North Carolina.
Hello, I'm Marcus Beagley, and I'm from Emmett, Idaho.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Reed, and I'm from Reno, Nevada.
And you have two more team members, right? So where are they from?
Gus Porter is also from Emmett, Idaho, and he was our team lead. And Michael Andrezzi was from Elko, Nevada.
Great. So there's more information about the project that you can find out from the NSPS website, so we won't bore the listeners here with those details. But I know that you worked on a project. Each of you had to select your own project. So can you give me the 20-second summary?
We selected the Gem County Sports Island Complex as our site. We created a new boundary for the use of a potential new kayak park that runs along the north bank and south bank of the Payette River. It was a different site because we had a township line, so we had to create we had to call out a new section corner off of single proportion method. We had to show meandering lines along the high water marks and then do a topographic survey of any features on the ground.
So this project was done in Idaho. The school is located in Nevada. And so I'm going to ask the team members the furthest away why this was done, why this site was selected.
We chose this site because the two guys who live near each other were able to get together and perform the field work, and then we used an online cloud storage service to kind of collaborate between documents. We all had access to CAD software too, so we could each look at the drawing, and Alex was able to work on it, all from different corners of the U.S.
Very good. So I've talked to them since they presented, but of course we don't know what the results will be, so we don't know if they'll win or come in somewhere else. But I need to say, as a surveyor myself, that the quality of the work, the effort that's been put in, and the quality of the report from all these schools is quite amazing, and I hope all the viewers will get a chance to go review all the submissions. Let me ask you a little bit about what it's like to go to school at an online in an online surveying program.
It's very interesting. It's obviously unconventional because it's all online. You don't get to do any of the classwork or interact with your classmates like you would with most other campuses. But it's the way that Great Basin has it set up, it's worked out very well.
And so let's say you had to work on other projects together, not just this particular project. How do you collaborate? What communications tools do you have to use?
We use texting and email. Great Basin College has an online service similar to Skype where you can get on and conference call with voice and camera. So they make it really easy for us to get in touch with each other. We have online kind of bulletin boards. And personally, for this project, we used online cloud storage like Dropbox so we could all access the documents on our own computers and edit in real time.
So Jennifer, since you come from an eastern state, did you already know what aliquot meant?
I did vaguely. I had taken the PLSS course at Great Basin, but hearing them talk about everything they do out there is completely different than what we do on the East Coast as far as surveying. Same methods, just different ways of putting it together.
So let me ask you a little bit about when you plan to finish your degree and what your career objectives are. Marcus?
I actually just began. This is my first year in school, and so I anticipate graduating in roughly 6 years. Seeing how I do it on a part-time basis, as well as work full-time. I'm currently a project manager at Sawtooth Land Surveying in Emmett, Idaho, so I will continue on that career path and become not only a project manager but a licensed surveyor as well.
Alexandria, when do you expect to finish, and what is your career objective?
I'm hoping to finish in late 2017, maybe early 2018. The great thing about Great Basin College is that they work with you, so if you decide you want to take a full-time course load, that's fine, but if you drop down to part-time because you're really busy at your job or something, they're okay with that. You don't have to jump through a bunch of hoops. So if things did come up and it gets pushed back to a later date, I don't have to worry that they're going to make that hard for me. I'm currently working as a survey technician for a water and wastewater oriented civil engineering firm. I'm really enjoying it, and I'm hoping to continue on that path while getting licensed and hopefully running a survey department at a civil engineering firm at some point.
And Jennifer?
I'm going to be graduating this May. I currently work for my dad. He has a small land surveying firm. But I'll be moving to Vermont, and I know I plan on getting my license. I'm not sure specifically what I'll be doing. I would like to start my own small business or kind of explore land development options. I'm not sure.
Well, thank you all very much for spending this time with me, and I hope the viewers enjoy this little insight into, number one, the student competition in 2016, but also the students from Great Basin College.